Okay, now what we're doing is going down to that creek over there and looking at other types of rocks, maybe even fish if we can find any, and trees. And there's one specific tree and rock that I want you to look at. It hurt me very much. Let's go see. This tree right here. I fell when I was running. I fell right here. My knee hit that rock. Look at that thing. It hurts. I have a bandage on my knee from it too. Well, now let's go down and see different kinds of flowers. Like this. This is a white flower.
Get your hand out of the way.
This is a white flower with yellow insides. It lives right here. This is a yellow, I think, buttercup. It's very beautiful, and if we can find a whole one, I'll show you later.
State flower.
The state flower is right around this corner. I mean, that corner. Sorry about that.
Rachel, you have to look at the camera when you talk.
I got sidetracked with my tree. Okay. Now, over here is the state flower. It's the Wyoming state flower called the Indian red tip. This flower right here, I think, is called a daisy. And this flower is white. Okay. I'll meet you in a couple seconds on my rock.
Do you want me to cut it?
Nope. Okay. Now I have to talk a bit louder because there's waterfalls around me. The waterfalls are very natural and beautiful. Tyler, if you could get some of the waterfalls. And then there's some like that right there. And it goes all different ways on the rock. It looks very cool. There's all kinds of different rocks out here. Like the one I'm sitting on looks a bit like a chair. Goes like that. The one that Tyler, my cameraman, is sitting on is a little bit like a chair, but it has a long bed and a short top. Tyler, show it. Good job. Okay, now I don't know what any of the trees or bushes or rocks or flowers except for the Indian red tip are called. I think that's a pine tree. And it's very long and bushy, and I think most people use them for Christmas trees unless they have artificial trees. Now Tyler, if you could please get the pine tree. Now what we'll have to do is take you back to some secret forts and passageways back there. So follow me. Alright, what we have here that I'm standing on is a rock. And I don't know how it got made or why it is like this, like an island on the side, but it is like that. Okay, what we have here is a bunch of water. There's a little waterfall and sunlight, more trees, a passageway, holes. The green stuff over there is moss. Tyler, please get that. Thank you. And one word of advice for kids and even grown-ups and senior citizens. Please, don't do what I'm doing right now. Don't hike across rivers just because it looks like fun. You can fall, hit your head on a sharp, pointy rock, like I was talking about earlier. You can fall into the water, get your clothes wet, and not have a dryer, like I did earlier. And there can be water snakes, other dangers in the water. Now, under the sea, there is moss growing on the rocks. It feels very gross. Now, what I'm gonna do is go over there to take a little hand of the moss. Where are they? Here. And it won't even come off of the rock. Now, also another danger in the water is sticks. Sharp and pointy sticks. They hurt. And I'm dipping my foot in the water. Now, it looks beautiful, but what you need to do is find a rock that's close to the shore to sit on, and then you can look upstream or downstream. If you want to go to another rock, please walk on the land. Don't walk on the other rocks over there. Up there, Tyler, please go up there. It's very beautiful, and you might want to go sit on it. Well, don't. There are dangers lurking around every corner. Okay, right now we are on the rocks that I told you not to go on. But we did hike around the land and onto these rocks right here. Now, another danger lurking around in the water is this. I don't know what it is, but it looks dangerous. It's white and smelly. Now, I also want to show a very unique rock that my video man is sitting on right now. So Tyler, please show that very unique rock. And please.
Nice and flat.
Very nice rock. See that rock is very shiny, smooth, and it's multicolored. And also, for a great sitting purpose, it's flat. Now, on the top part, it is gray with gold swirl kind of things around it. Now, right here, there's no waterfall. Tyler, please come over here. It's very calm, clear, and I'm sure little tadpoles stand on the very rock. And I'm sure little tadpoles are in here. Let's find out and see. That's what you do to calm up, shake up the water and make the little tadpoles come out. If there are any. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's a pine cone. Everybody, it's okay. But as you can see, there's no tadpoles. The water is too shallow to live in. Now upstream, way up there, and more, there are tadpoles living. And there's trout and more kinds. The trout are about that big and that. Tadpoles, like that. Okay. As you can see up in the sky, there's a moon. The moon is very earthy and it makes the world seem much better. And brighter at night. Over there is a patch of Indian red tips. That is a Wyoming state flower. Dad, I'm sorry about this. I keep messing up. And I hope Tyler's doing much better on the video. Hear me? Yes. Okay. Now back to the show. Over there's a bunch of... pine trees over there and in a group. Tyler, please film those. Now that's the end of our show, and I hope you watch again if we make any more tapes. Now this is the only tape that we made so far, and maybe we'll make another one, but if we don't, take this one and watch it all over again. I hope you have a great and safe summer. See you next year. Sorry?